Tired of overpaying for sponges? Tired of buying wash rags? Wondering if there's an organic option? Well, today there is, and it's loofah seeds. And not even gonna lie, I bought these off of eBay, so not really sure how they're gonna do, but we're gonna find out. All right, let's get to planting. All right, so we're gonna get our seed starting mix, and we're gonna fill it about yay full, like so. Take our handy dandy loofah seeds. If I can open this little package with the dirt on my hands. And we're going to go ahead and just do 2 of these each. We're going to plant them with the pointy side up, like so, and like so. We're going to take a little bit more of our dirt. Just cover it the rest of the way. Give her a little drinky poo. Like so. Oh, that one seed come up a little bit. Come here. Let's just do that. Take that. Think about that, son. That's better. Then we take our pre-cut saran wrap, like so. Get it around there. And there you go. Ready to rock, and these should come up anywhere from 7 to 14 days.